Just standing here and enjoying the space, and out of the corner of my eye, something caught my attention, and I'm like, uh-oh, have to do an emergency rescue here. Gotta get down here fast before this gets away. We'll keep it out of the waterways. We're gonna throw this out where it belongs, in the trash can. Not in our waterways, not on the side of the road. Just enjoying some time out on my bicycle and enjoying the fresh air, the exercise and everything, the beauty. It's a beautiful world we have. I'd like to keep it that way for future generations to enjoy. Thanks for watching.